probability, and in particular we're going to look at the operation to do with all probabilities. A bag contains 12 green balls, 5 red balls, 3 blue balls and 8 white balls. I pick a ball at random, find the probability of the following. Now, this is great information, but what we're not told here is exactly how many balls are in the bag. Or are we? Well, we are, because we know that there's 12 green balls, there's 5 red balls, 3 blue balls and 8 white balls. So altogether, if we add them up, we'll get the number of balls that are in this bag. So if we just firstly add up all the balls that we've got 12, add 5, add 3, add 8. So that's 7, 10, 18. So there's 28 balls overall in this bag. So that means that all of our probabilities are going to be out of 28, because in all we have 28 balls in this bag. So firstly, what is the probability of picking a red ball? Well, in this bag we've got 5 red balls. So the probability of getting a red ball is 5 out of 28 balls. The probability of getting a white, well, if it's 8 white balls, add for a possible 28. So it's 8 out of 28. What is the probability of getting a black ball? Well, if we look carefully, there isn't any black balls in this bag. So the probability of getting a black ball is 0 out of 28, or just 0. This is where we're going to start looking at its OR notation. So it's a green or a blue ball. So that means when we're picking it out, it could either be a green or a blue ball. So when you think about it could be a green or a blue ball, that means you want to have the probability for the green added on the probability for it being blue to find out the probability of it being green or blue. But a simpler way of doing that is to think, well, how many green and blue balls are there in the bag altogether? Well, it's 12 green balls and 3 blue balls. Well, that's 15 balls altogether. 12 add 3. So the probability of getting green or blue is 15 out of the 28 balls, because 3 add 12 is 15. So just see, can you figure out what is the probability of getting a red or a white ball? Yeah, a red ball add a white and a white ball. 5 add 8 is 13, so it's 13 out of 28. What is the probability of not getting a red ball? So this means it could be a green ball, a blue ball or a white ball, but it can't be a red ball. So we've got 28 but we don't want to pick out any of them 5 red ones. So we're going to do 28 minus the 5 red ones to leave it with 23. So the probability of getting a ball that isn't red is 23 out of the 28 balls available. So the real key step was to firstly add up the number of balls that we had altogether to find out the total number of balls in the bag.